session we are going to see only the recap, children, and if you have any topic, any doubt, kindly text in your chat box. Okay, otherwise unmute and ask. Okay, children. So I hope the classwork notes, Bandar Ka Nyay classwork notes and video I will send it the evening time, children. So I want all my kids first listen the video, and after that you all can try to read the sentence one by one. Okay, children, without help of your parents you will do. Okay, so sit straight. So first we will see the बंदर के न्याय. Children, बंदर का न्याय बोलने से क्या है? What is the topic? The lesson name we learn, right?
बंदर. Cat and monkey.
Yes, बंदर means monkey and न्याय बोलने से क्या है? न्याय, बंदर का न्याय we learn, right? Yes, very good, Meenakshi. Yes, I want answer from everyone, children. बंदर का न्याय, monkeys justice, बंदर का न्याय. monkeys justice को क्या बोलेंगे? बंदर का न्याय. In this story, how many cats, children? How many cats? कितने cats हैं? Yes, 2 cats. What are the colors? कौन सा रंग है? कलर कौन सा कलर है? One is सफेद and another one is
Kala.
Two cats are there. Very good. And one more animal is there, right? In this story, what is that? What animal is that?
Bandar.
Roti. क्या है? Roti means what? Roti means very good, Sai Lakshmi. Roti means क्या है? Bread.
Chapati.
Very good, children. And what is the meaning of दुखी? दुखी, दोनों बिल्लियां बहुत दुखी हो गई. दुखी, yes.
Sad.
Very sad. और what?
Sad.
Very good, children. I'm getting so many answers. What is the meaning of booki? Boo. ब में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा बू.
Hungry, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Nandana. Very good, dear. Meenakshi, very good. Hungry. Very good, dears. Okay, what is the meaning of दो टुकड़े? दो टुकड़े से क्या है?
Two pieces.
Yes, Nandana. Very good. Yes, Meenakshi. 2 pieces. Ojasvi, very good. 2 pieces. I want to answer everyone. Yes. I hope all my kids are knowing. Very good, Ramya. Very good. 2 pieces. दो टुकड़े बोलते हैं 2 pieces को, right? Very good. Very good, children. Okay. What did the smell? Cat smell? What did the cat smell? Cat को क्या खुशबू आई? किसका खुशबू आया? Yes. Who ate all the bread? Who ate all the bread? Yes, Bandar. Monkey ate all the bread. Very good. I'm getting so many answers. Okay, children. First we will recap. I want all my kids. I'm going to read the sentence. I want all my kids also repeat after me. Now kindly mute your mic. Yes, kindly mute your mic. चलिए, बंदर का न्याय, monkeys justice. So first one, एक जंगल. Kindly repeat after me. एक जंगल में 2 बिल्लियां रहती थी. एक जंगल में 2 बिल्लियां रहती थी. दोनों भूखी थी, दोनों भूखी थी. See what happened? Two cats lived in a forest. They both are. दोनों means they both. They both are very hungry. They both are very hungry. Okay, children. Two cats lived in a forest. They both are very hungry. Then let's see the meaning. Jungle. Jungle means forest. Jungle means forest. दो बोलने से क्या है? दो means two. बिल्लियां, 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 बिल्लियां means cats. दोनों, both. भूखी, hungry, both, hungry. Then see children, एक का रंग सफेद था, एक का रंग सफेद था. सफेद means white. The one of the cat was white color. The first cat is white color and दूसरी means second बिल्ली. दूसरी बिल्ली means the second cat color is black color. See, white and black color. One was white and another one is black color. Okay, children. So next see what happened. Next taking an example. Let's see children. Rang means color. सफेद white. दूसरी second. बिल्ली cat. काला means black color. काला रंग means black color. सफेद रंग means white color. Okay, children. So let's see what happened. So yes, see children, what happened? Can you see the image? So first क्या है? कौन सा बिल्ली है? काला बिल्ली, काली बिल्ली. काली बिल्ली means this black color cat. What he said? Let's see children. काली बिल्ली ने कहा, मुझे रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. What happened? The black cat said, I smell the bread. I smell the bread smell. What smell he getting? Bread smell. Roti ka khushbu. Roti ka khushbu means bread smell. Yes, that's fragrance. And now let's see second cat. The second cat is who? White cat. White cat को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? सफेद बिल्ली. सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा, मुझे भी रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. See the second cat, what he said? The white cat also said, I also smell the bread. See, first cat also smelled the bread and second cat also the same. He was also smelling the bread smell. And let's see the meaning. Kali billi. Kali billi means black cat. Kaha said, मुझे me रोटी bread खुशबू smell सफेद बिल्ली white cat. सफेद बिल्ली means 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 white cat. Okay, let's see children, next one. So repeat after me. काली बिल्ली रोटी उठाकर लाई तो सफेद बिल्ली लेकर भाग गया. One more time. काली बिल्ली रोटी उठाकर लाई तो सफेद बिल्ली लेकर भाग गई. सफेद बिल्ली लेकर वो भाग गई. What happened when the black cat brought the bread? See children, when the black cat brought the bread, and what happened? The white cat. See, let's see the image. The white cat take the bread and run away very fastly. He was running, taking the bread and he was running very fastly. Yes. Let's see the meaning. उठाकर means to carry. लाई तो, bring it. The black cat लाई तो, the black cat is bringing the bread, right? Bring the bread. लेकर, with, भाग गई. Yes, भाग गई. The white cat was run away. Yes, भाग गई. He started to run with the bread. Yes. Now next, see children, next one. दोनों रोटी, दोनों means both. रोटी के लिए, रोटी के लिए, दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगे. लड़ाई means fight, fighting, started fighting. Can you see the image, children? See the black cat and white cat is starting for the bread. He started fighting. He started fighting for the bread. One more time. दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगे. What happened? They both started fighting for bread. उसी समय, who is entering the thunder, right? समय, उसी समय means at that time. उसी समय, at that time what happened? At that time what happened? वहां पर एक बंदर means the monkey आया. आया means came. See, at that time what happened? They both started fighting for bread, right? At that monkey came.
Now your voice is
Yes, repeat again, dear. Little bit louder. Yes, dear. Little bit louder. Yes, dear. I'm not getting your.
voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible. Kirti ma'am, my voice is audible.
And your voice is audible, Vandana.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Kanna. Yes, dear. Kindly check your network. Audible only.
Your voice is audible.
All
Voice is audible, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Kindly mute your mic, everyone. Everyone, kindly mute your mic. Yes, thank you, dear. See, children, one more time. दोनों रोटी के लिए, दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगी. दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगी. उसी समय वहां पर एक बंदर आया और बोला, मैं न्याय करता हूँ. मैं न्याय करता हूँ. What happened? दोनों रोटी के, they both started fighting for bread. And that time who is entering her? The monkey. One बंदर came. Yes, monkey आया. और what he said? What the monkey said? Yes, मैं न्याय दे करता हूँ. मैं न्याय means justice. I do the justice for both of you. I do the justice for both of you. He said. What he said, children? I do the justice for both of you. Let's see the meaning for this word. लड़ाई. लड़ाई means fight. समय. समय means time. वहां means there. बोला, spoke. न्याय, justice. न्याय means justice. Let's see, children. उसने रोटी के 2 टुकड़े लिए. 2 टुकड़े किए और उसे तराजू में रखा. तराजू means the weight machine. See, children, the monkey is holding his hand. Yes, what machine is this? Yes, this is weight machine. Weight machine. Weight machine को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? तराजू. तराजू. Let's see, children. उसने रोटी के 2 टुकड़े किए और उसे तराजू में रखा. What happened? The monkey. What happened, children? The both are started fighting, right? And what happened that time? Monkey came and gave, I do the justice, he said. And what happened? The monkey started for doing that work. The monkey made two pieces, the bread taken and two pieces of bread, and he placed it. He kept in the weight machine. He kept in the weight machine. Okay, see here. The weight machine को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? तराजू. तराजू means weight machine. उसने means he. दो टुकड़े, two pieces. तराजू, weight machine. रखा, kept. रखा means he kept. लेकिन means but तो हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? लेकिन एक टुकड़ा means one piece. लेकिन एक टुकड़ा भारी means very heavy, children, very heavy. One side was very heavy, one piece. भारी था. बंदर ने उसमें से तोड़कर खा लिया. तोड़कर means he broken. He started justice for both the cats, right? What happened? He take one bread and made two pieces and kept in the weight machine. And then what happened? One piece, the one bread piece was very heavy, one side. Can you see, children, image? See, the one side was very heavy. So let's see what happened. So the monkey broken it and started to eat. He take one piece, small piece, and started to eat. खा लिया. Started to eat. लेकिन means but. भारी, heavy. तोड़कर, breaking, to broken, breaking, yes. तोड़कर, खा लिया means ate. Monkey ate. Let's see the last slide. इस प्रकार means in this type. Prakar means type, in this way. Prakar means we say type, otherwise in this way what happened? Let's see in this way what happened. बंदर ने सारी रोटी खा ली. बंदर ने सारी रोटी खा ली. What happened? In this way the monkey ate all the breads. He broke one by small pieces and he started to eat all the whole bread. He started to whole bread to eat. Then see, children, can you see the image? The both cats are looking very sad. Why? दोनों बिल्लियां पछताने लगी because they both are very hungry also and they are not getting any small piece of bread also. The full bread monkey only ate, right? So they both are become very sad. दोनों बिल्लियां means two cats. पछताने meaning guilty feeling. The inside they feel very bad. Both the cats are feeling very bad. Or dukhi means very sad. They both are getting very sad. Inside feeling very guilty because they both are started fighting. Then only the monkey came and ate all the breads, right? Though dukhi ho gayi. They started sad. They both are getting very sad and feeling inside very regretting, very guilty. Yes. See, children, this meaning prakar means type. In this type we have to say like this. Yes, in this way. Sari roti, all bread. Sari roti means all bread. Pachhtane, reprend, regretting. Yes, inside feeling very bad. Dukhi means sad, very sad, because they both are very hungry also, right? They are not getting any single piece of bread also. So they both are very sad inside. Let's see, children, what we learn from this story. Yes, we learn from this story what? हमें आपस में dear children, kindly mute. हमें आपस में बांट कर खाना चाहिए. हमें आपस में बांट कर खाना चाहिए. What happened? We should share our food among ourselves. Always we should share. Don't fight, children. When you are started to fighting means someone is entering and ate all the. See, in this story, the both cats are started fighting, and what happened? At that time, one monkey came and ate all the breads. Right? Same like that. Whenever you and your brother, you and your sister, you started fighting means have to lose only. Yes, no one getting anyone. Yes, always share your thoughts, always be friendly, be polite, everyone. Yes, children, I hope all my kids are following this, right? So, any doubt, children, in this story? Yes, any doubt? This is the last Hindi class for you, children. If you have any doubt,
From the beginning, ma'am.
from the beginning,
Yes.
what from the beginning you have any doubt, children? The whole story you have doubt?
Two cats.
Yes, the two cats, one is black and another one is white color.
Oh, that one is yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome, dear. Yes, hi, children. I hope all my kids are clear in this story, right? So don't worry, children. At the evening time, I will send one video, that reading practice video. First, you all can listen the video. Then after that, you all can take your the notes and try to read, children. Try to read the sentence one by one, right? So next we will go to the in your portion. Next क्या है? सब्जियों के नाम. Yes, name of the vegetable. सब्जियों के नाम. Yes, children. Any 5 vegetables name can you text in your chat box? Any 5 vegetables name? Yes, thank you, children. No doubts. Yes, very good. Aloo. Any 5. Yes,
Ma'am, I
aloo. Patta gobi, gajar.
But
Very good. Gajar. Kaddu. Very good. Kaddu.
Matar.
Matar. Adrak. Adrak. Excellent.
Ma'am, Tamati.
Very good.
Tomato. Ma'am, carrot. Tomato. Palak. Mangal. Ma'am, Kochi, ma'am. Tomato. Beans, ma'am. Ma'am. Beans, ma'am.
Very good. Kheera.
Tomato. Gobi.
Excellent. Shall we repeat one more time, children? This vegetable's name. All my kids are right. Shalgam. Very, very big clap for you, children. You all are answering very correctly, children. Super.
Patta gobi, full gobi. Rasool, mushroom.
Excellent, children.
Rasool.
My kids, kindly mute your mic. Yes, full gobi. Yes, very good. Shalgam, kindly mute your mic, yes. Shall we repeat, children? One more time, the same vegetable's name. Yes, kindly mute your mic.
Ma'am, I'm Kel.
Kindly mute your mic, Subramani. Yes. Dear, kindly mute your mic, children. We will recap one more time the vegetable's name. Then I will ask you one by one. I call your names and ask you one by one. That time you all can answer, okay? But now I want everyone kindly mute and only repeat after me. This is only for recap, children. This is only for recap. No need to write. Only listen. सब्जियों के नाम. सब्जियों के नाम. Vegetables name of the vegetables name. One of you come here. Come and sit here. Name of the vegetables name. First one देखिए क्या है. First one is आलू. 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 I want everyone kindly repeat after me, children. First सब्जी name है आलू. एंड सेकेंड वन देखिए पत्ता गोभी, पत्ता गोभी। एंड नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन क्या है? फूल गोभी, फूल गोभी, फूल गोभी। बैगन, बैगन, बैगन। प्याज, प्याज, प्याज। लौकी, 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 लौकी। शिमला मिर्च, शिमला मिर्च, शिमला मिर्च। नेक्स्ट क्या है? गाजर, गाजर, गाजर। नेक्स्ट क्या है? करेला, करेला, करेला। नेक्स्ट क्या है? मूली, 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 मूली। एंड नेक्स्ट वन कद्दू, कद्दू, कद्दू। नेक्स्ट क्या है? नींबू, नींबू, नींबू। मटर, 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 मटर। नेक्स्ट क्या है? मिर्च, 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 मिर्च। पालक, 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 पालक। शकरकंद, 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 शकरकंद। चकुन। यस डियर, काइंडली म्यूट योर माइक। बीटरूट को क्या बोलेंगे? चुकंदर, चुकंदर, चुकंदर। खीरा, कुकुम्बर को क्या बोलेंगे? खीरा, खीरा, खीरा। भिंडी, लेडीज फिंगर को क्या बोलेंगे? भिंडी, भिंडी, भिंडी। मशरूम, मशरूम, मशरूम। नेक्स्ट क्या है? अदरक, जिंजर को क्या बोलेंगे? अदरक, अदरक। नेक्स्ट क्या है? लहसुन, लहसुन मीन्स गार्लिक, लहसुन। नेक्स्ट शलगम,
शलगम,
शलगम, शलगम। Shall we say one more time, children?
ma'am.
So I hope all my kids here. Kindly mute your mic. Yes. Now I want all my kids to repeat one more time. Aloo, aloo, पत्ता गोभी, पत्ता गोभी, फूल गोभी, गोभी।
Mute your mic, Krishu. Krishu, can you mute your mic? Thank you, dear.
My kids, kindly mute your mic. Mute and repeat after me, dears. फूल गोभी, बैगन, बैगन, प्याज, प्याज, प्याज। लौकी, लौकी, लौकी। बॉटल गर्ल को क्या बोलेंगे? लौकी। नेक्स्ट कैप्सिकम, कैप्सिकम। शिमला मिर्च, शिमला मिर्च। कैरेट को क्या बोलेंगे? गाजर, गाजर। यस। बिटर गार्ड को क्या बोलेंगे? करेला, करेला, करेला। नेक्स्ट क्या है? रेडिश को क्या बोलेंगे? मूली, मूली, मूली। नेक्स्ट क्या है? कद्दू, कद्दू। पंपकिन को क्या बोलेंगे? कद्दू। कद्दू। यस, लेमन को क्या बोलेंगे? लेमन। नींबू। 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 देन पीस को क्या बोलेंगे? मटर। मटर। नेक्स्ट चिल्ली को क्या बोलेंगे? मिर्च। मिर्च। एंड नेक्स्ट पालक। 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 नेक्स्ट स्वीट पोटैटो को क्या बोलेंगे? शकरकंद। शकरकंद। नेक्स्ट क्या है? बीटरूट को क्या बोलेंगे? चुकंदर। 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 नेक्स्ट कुकुम्बर। खीरा। 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 नेक्स्ट लेडीज फिंगर को क्या बोलेंगे? भिंडी। भिंडी। नेक्स्ट मशरूम को क्या बोलेंगे? यस, मशरूम ओनली। मशरूम। वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, मशरूम। नेक्स्ट क्या है? अदरक। 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 जिंजर। नेक्स्ट क्या है? यस, गार्लिक। गार्लिक को क्या बोलेंगे? लहसुन। लहसुन। The little bit ha sound will come, children. लहसुन। लहसुन। नेक्स्ट क्या है? लास्ट वन इज शलगम। 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 Yes, are ready. Yes, धन्यवाद. Kindly mute your mic, children. Yes, kindly mute all of you. Okay, let's children. Any doubt, children? Children, any topic, any doubt? No, ma'am. Yes, no doubt. Right, children. Very good, children. Superb. Very good. Okay, shall I ask commonly the question? First, all or no, children, Vilom Shabd means what? Yes, what is the meaning in your portion? Vilom Shabd also given, right? I have given in your portion that, yes, Vilom Shabd, the opposite words. Very good, children. Very good, very good. Okay, shall we recap one more time the Vilom Shabd also? Yes? Then after that I will ask questions, okay? So kindly mute all my kids, kindly mute yourself. We will recap that Vilom Shabd also one more time. We will recap one more time that Vilom Shabd also. Kindly mute. Vilom Shabd. Vilom Shabd means opposite words. Opposite words. Jai, kindly keep quiet. Yes, Vilom Shabd means क्या है? Opposite words. Opposite words. There are so many opposite words, right, children? So first one देखेंगे क्या है? 1 minute, children. Yes. Vilom Shabd बोलने से क्या है? Opposite words. Opposite words. The first one is hot. हॉट को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? हॉट को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? गरम. एंड कोल्ड को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? ठंडा. गरम, ठंडा. गरम, ठंडा. गरम, ठंडा. I want everyone should repeat after me, dears. गरम, ठंडा. नेक्स्ट वन, डे एंड नाइट को क्या बोलेंगे? दिन, रात. दिन, रात. दिन, रात. दिन, रात. नेक्स्ट, ऑन एंड ऑफ को क्या बोलेंगे? चालू, बंद. चालू, बंद. चालू, बंद. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, राइट एंड रॉन्ग को क्या बोलेंगे? सही, गलत. सही, गलत. सही, गलत. एंड इन एंड आउट को क्या बोलेंगे? अंदर, बाहर. अंदर, बाहर. अंदर, bahar. And next, happy and sad. Happy means खुश and sad को क्या बोलेंगे? दुखी. खुश, दुखी. I hope all my kids are repeating, dears. This is only for recap. Kindly repeat after me, dears. दुखी, खुश, दुखी. Next क्या है? Far and near. दूर, पास. दूर, पास. दूर, पास. बड़ा, छोटा. बिग एंड स्मॉल को क्या बोलेंगे? बड़ा, छोटा. बड़ा, छोटा. नेक्स्ट क्या है? टॉल एंड शॉर्ट को क्या बोलेंगे? लंबा, 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 छोटा. लंबा, छोटा. एंड नेक्स्ट ओपन एंड क्लोज. खुला, बंद. खुला, बंद. खुला, बंद. नेक्स्ट देखिए, अप एंड डाउन को क्या बोलेंगे? ऊपर, नीचे. ऊपर, नीचे. ऊपर, नीचे. एंड नेक्स्ट क्या है? ड्राई एंड वेट को क्या बोलेंगे? सूखा, गीला. सूखा, गीला. सूखा, गीला. देन न्यू एंड ओल्ड. नया, पुराना. नया मीन्स न्यू and पुराना मीन्स ओल्ड. नया, पुराना. एंड नेक्स्ट देखिए, स्लो एंड फास्ट. धीमे, तेज. धीमे, तेज. धीमे, तेज. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, मोर एंड लेस. मोर मीन्स ज्यादा, लेस मीन्स कम. ज्यादा, कम. ज्यादा, कम. ज्यादा, कम. Yes, children, like that we have to learn this opposite words. Yes. Okay, shall I ask questions in your chat box, children? I want answer only in your chat box. The answer only in your chat box. Okay. What is the meaning of kaddu? Kaddu बोलने से क्या है? Kindly text in your chat box. What is the meaning of kaddu? Yes, very good. Pumpkin. I am getting answer, children. Very good. Kaddu means क्या है? Pumpkin. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, children. गरम का opposite क्या है? Second question. गरम, गरम का opposite. गरम का opposite क्या है? गरम का opposite क्या है? Yes. Hindi, dear. Don't tell in English. I want answer in your Hindi, children. Yes. Thanda. Garam, thanda. Very good. And children, what is the meaning of खीरा? खीरा बोलने से क्या है? खीरा. What is the meaning for खीरा?
Cucumber.
Yes, cucumber. Very good for health, right? Good. Yes, very good for health. Very good, children. I'm getting answer. Super. Cucumber. Okay, very good. What is the opposite for bada? Bada का opposite क्या है? What will comes? बड़ा का opposite क्या है?
छोटा मैम, छोटा. छोटा.
Yes. Opposite is छोटा. छोटा. Yes. Excellent. बड़ा का opposite क्या है? छोटा. बड़ा का opposite क्या है? छोटा. छोटा. And next one देखिए. Next one. What is the meaning for गाजर? गाजर means what? गाजर. Yes, carrot. Carrot. Okay. Carrot. Yes, I'm getting so many answers. Very good, children. Carrot. Yes. What is the opposite for dur? Dur का opposite what will comes? Dur.
Near.
दूर का opposite words दूर. Yes.
Near.
Pass. Far away. Yes. Pass. दूर, pass. Yes. Very good, children. Getting so many answers. Very good. Okay. Now next meaning. बैगन बोलने से क्या है? What is the meaning of बैगन? बैगन brinjal. Very good. Very good, children. So I hope all my kids are doing all this. Yes. Yes, children. Today is the last Hindi session, Hindi class. This one. So you have any doubt in the project? In the project, Eid Manaiye, I will tell in detail, children. Okay. The project title I will give the message in your WhatsApp group in detail. So then that it will be easy for you. So Eid Manaiye. So others, any doubt, children? Any other topic you have any doubt? That story, बंदर का न्याय, opposite words, सब्जियों के नाम,